2020, we bought this Subaru Impreza from the auction for a good deal. It had 84,000 miles, but then we bought this destroyed Subaru. I had plans on fixing this car and turning it into something cool, but when the car came, it had a lot more damage than we anticipated. We checked it out, pulled it in the driveway. It was super hard. The radiator fans, everything was destroyed. Battery exploded, and timing got messed up. Everything was just really bad. Looked at all the damage. The chassis was straight, which was a good sign, but everything else was just really bad. Fuse blocks, everything. We had a parts car here, like I said, from 2020, and all of it was still good, all intact. We were going to use the suspension and all the aprons and everything and just fix the car up, and it was going to be a perfect plan. But anyways, we tried getting this car started, but the car didn't want to start. We had trial and error for a long time, but then when we finally got it running, the car was pretty cool. It came with these sick aftermarket taillights and headlights, and I ended up replacing the suspension from both of the cars, swapping it, and the car drove without an issue. I replaced the airbags, I replaced everything that I could. Then we junked the red car, and from there we finally got the car started. So I started it for the first time, drove for the first time, drove amazingly. All gears worked, and unfortunately we had to say goodbye to it, and we decided to remove the engine, remove all the parts, and have plans of case swaps or other motor swaps, two-rotor, whatever. But anyways, we had to part out the car, sold the engine, sold the parts, and say goodbye to this wonderful car. But we were able to rebuild multiple cars out of this one car, which is always good. And we're going to be taking out the transmission to put it on it first, so let's get straight into it and say goodbye to this somewhat wonderful car. Cool. Alrighty, so we got the Subaru here. This is the destroyed Subaru that we got from the auction, and we're parting it out, unfortunately, but this transmission we're going to use. It's a 5-speed, pretty good condition. Well, it looks like it. I drove in, didn't grind. We got the car all up in the air, all levitating, and we're going to see if we can take this transmission out.
Now we're taking out the radiator, so right now we're going to take out the radiator.
Underneath the car, I'll have to pick up the drive shaft. I already took out the shield. It's time to replace the drive shaft. Now in this video you're going to be seeing a lot of my little brother. He was helping me out and I was teaching him a couple things about cars and how to remove a couple things. So if you see him, that was him, my little brother, and you might even see my siblings later in the video. Go! Alright, not bad.
Is the thing supposed to fall?
Maybe. Alright, put it in. I have to hold it. Hold it. I'm gonna hold the drive shaft.
Put the thing down.
Oh, you're gonna hold it?
Put the phone down.
Are you gonna hold the thing, the stick? Are you gonna hold the big long stick?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Let go. Little by little. Let go more, not little. There. See? Good.
I think you gotta remove it.
Yeah, you're gonna remove it.
Why do I have to?
You're a certified mechanic. Oh, it's coming out.
My arm.
It's out.
Giant stick out.
Big
Yep,
giant stick.
baby.
First gear. Second. Third. Alright, neutral. Alright, now take out the rubber. Yeah, big boy. Alright, now we're taking out the shifter.
Good. Oh yeah, let me put the radio on. Let me turn off the radio. Let me put on the movie.
Wait. I forgot to record. Alright, go.
Up.
Yeah, up. Up.
Yo, I'm moving up. Wait. Is this
Up.
supposed to?
More. The other way. Go. More. Alright, now it's spinning. Go. Up. Yeah. No, the other way. No. You're tightening it back again. No. Yeah. Flip it. Go. Yeah. 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 Keep on. Oh.
Yo, replacement.
Yo, what? Oh. Dirt. I put the screw back.
I think it's mud.
It's not. Hey, yo.
Is this supposed to fall?
You can stop.
It's the spider web for me.
And we're done.
Bye! Where are you going? Yeah.
Huh?
You know, to take that to hold it.
To hold it?
Yeah, I have to pull it down a little bit.
I'm holding it.
Wait. So, okay.
You got a piece of wood?
Yeah, está heavy.
Anyways, it's almost done. Check out the windshield, the seats. Took out pretty much the whole wiring harness. Now we're going to take out the carpet, as well as the rear seats, and all the stuff that's valuable. It's pretty much empty here.
This is the car that started it all. Brakes?
Thanks,
Yes, sir. I have no idea what you're doing. Then me and my dad started pushing the car. It was pretty easy at first, but then we broke some glass. I am moving back. So right now we're pushing the car. It was not easy at first, but once we got out of the garage, the FS garage. Sammy. Then my dad got frustrated. Look at all that junk, you guys. This is a lot of junk. That's not even a car anymore. So, credits to my sister for recording this. police find this car here, how are they gonna remove it? Does the horn still work? Not the cover. And y'all, just like that. Like, oh my God, the garage. I'm gonna show them this way.
Next episode of Cars in the Garage is a garage clean out.
Sunday reset. You know Sammy can't see, right?
There's a water bottle.
Not the neck turn. Sammy, you just got a neck turn. Come on, Sammy, man. Come on, Sammy. Literally, look at this. Then we cover up the car so no one suspect a thing.
Take the water bottle there. That's good money right there.
The looking is crazy.
Glasses, the water bottle.
You should wear them.
Boy. So the police won't find out what we have under there. And just like that, the car was covered.
Since 1940.
Perfecto. So we rented a whole Euro truck. We got the car over here with a tow bar. We stripped the car down. Off camera, the garage is a mess. As you can see, stripped all the garbage that we're not gonna need. We threw it in here. The front glass we removed, and we're about ready to bring the car. Bluetooth steering wheel, wire harness. We're gonna take out completely, and yeah. Car on the tow bar, everything's hooked up. Now we're ready to leave with the U-Haul truck to the junkyard. At the junkyard. We're at the junkyard. Saying goodbye to the Subaru. Unfortunately, we did not end up fixing the car, and they're gonna be taking out the fuel tank to scrap it. Like this kind of sucks, but it was such a good car, even though I had 240,000 miles. But we're not gonna talk about that. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below all your thoughts. And we have to catch it. Ooh, we're spinning tires. Hold up. Hold up, not a traffic. Oh. Subaru. Sarah, get out. You're gonna be in the video. Put a cone there.
Me?
Yeah, that's one. Put a cone there. Alrighty, so I disassembled the car. Here we have the radiator and the battery. It doesn't even look like a battery anymore. And the fans. So all that's left is all this here. It's pretty bad. I might change the fuel box because we do have a parts car here. It's another Subaru that we had before. And the best part is that all this is still good on this car. And this car has the fuse box and everything else that we need. So pretty good there. There's a lot of put there.